In today's video, you will learn how to prepare an anti-inflammatory, tasty, and aromatic recipe. A balanced diet is essential for good health and quality of life. Therefore, we will teach you how to make golden oats for a super healthy breakfast or snack. Oats are a cereal rich in fiber, protein, carbohydrates, and minerals. Its consumption contributes to reducing bad cholesterol, LDL, and the risk of a heart attack, controls blood glucose levels and blood pressure, contributes to bone health, improves bowel function, contributes to restful sleep and improves mood, helps with weight loss, strengthens the immune system, and protects the skin. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Now that you know these benefits, it's time to learn how to prepare golden oats. Here are the ingredients. 1 cup of rolled oats, 2 cups of plant-based milk, rice, oat, or nut milk, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 3 pinches of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of powdered or grated ginger, 2 pinches of nutmeg powder or grated nutmeg, 1 ripe banana mashed like a puree, 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed. You can make it at home. Just grind the seeds in a blender. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Put the rolled oats in a pan, add the plant-based milk, then season with spices, turmeric, cinnamon, pepper, ginger, and nutmeg. Add the mashed banana, flaxseed, chia, and mix well. Cook over low heat, stirring constantly until you get the desired consistency, homogeneous, and it comes off the bottom of the pan. Once done, when consumed, you can add dried fruits, nuts and/or seeds, dates, chia, flaxseed, sesame seeds, grapes, strawberries, and other berries. This is the warm version, but you can make it at night and consume it cold the next day. Just leave it in the fridge after cooking. If you made it this far and enjoyed learning how to make golden oats, leave a comment saying oats. Don't keep this information to yourself. Help your friends and family by sharing this tip with them.